Hello, Simple Tips here. Today I'm going to show you how to install Teamviewer. Teamviewer is a remote desktop connection. So basically, if you ever need any help from, say, a friend, okay, they might call you up, say, look, install Teamviewer. All that means is they get control of your PC screen, and they can install, uninstall programs, do whatever you need them to do that you can't for them. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is go and see your internet. Okay, just go to Google or any search engine and type in Teamviewer. You're looking for teamviewer.com. Okay, and then just go down to the download free for private use. Okay, this doesn't come up here. You're going to need to go to download, Windows or Mac, whatever operating system you're on. Download here, hit run, install. Personal use. Okay, have a little read of all that. Accept, agree. Install that, and then you're up and running. Okay, you're ready to roll. Alright, thank you very much. This has been Simple Tips. Goodbye.